Hello everyone, welcome to KRD Training Solutions and myself Mohan. We are at session 3 of problems on cubes. This session is continuation of our previous session where we have discussed about painted cube concepts, but their cubes were painted with only single color. Here we are going to discuss about multicolored cube concept. Let's enter into our first question. There are two cubes having different dimensions. Two opposite faces of a cube are red and rest of it are white. Two opposite faces of the other cube are yellow and rest of it are red. These two cubes are divided separately into 64 and 27 small cubes respectively. Now these small cubes are mixed together. So this is the common content. Now based on this, our first question is how many small cubes have only one face colored in the same color in both the cubes? Let me repeat the question one more time. How many small cubes have only one face colored in the same color in both the cubes? Okay, now we totally have two cubes like this. So in first cube, only top and bottom, that is only two faces of the cubes are painted red. Rest of them are painted white. If you take the second cube, top and bottom, that is only two faces painted in yellow and rest of the four faces are painted in red. Now you are cutting the first cube into 64 equal halves and second cube into 27 equal halves. See, both the cubes are of different dimensions. It means both are not same sized cubes. Okay, now you have to cut like this. Okay, you are totally cutting it into 64 equal halves. So first cube is cut into 64 equal halves. So a cube is nothing but 64. So if a cube is 64, the value of a will be 4. So you can take the sides of the cube are 4 centimeter. And if you take the second cube, a cube is 27. So what will be the side of second cube? A is 3 centimeter. Now side of the big cube is 4 centimeter and you can take side of the small cube is 1 centimeter, and here also the side of the small cube is 1 centimeter. Now our first question is how many small cubes have only one face colored in the same color in both the cubes? If you take both the cubes, so which color is same? Only red color is same. See, in red color also we have to find the cube which is painted in a single face. So it is really simple. We are going to follow the same protocol that we discussed in previous session. So that is x minus 2 the whole square into number of faces. See, if you take the first cube, you have to consider only two faces because in two faces only you have red color. So here you have to mark it as 2. Now what is the value of x? X is nothing but the side of the big cube by side of the small cube. So here we are considering the side of the small cube as 1 centimeter. So 4 by 1 you get 4 only, right? So 4 minus 2 the whole square, you get 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 2 we get 8. So we have 8 such cubes that is painted in a single face. Now if you come to second cube, again it is x minus 2 the whole square into total number of faces here is 4, right? So 1, 2 and back you have 3 and adjacent you have 4. So totally 4 cubes, I mean 4 faces. Now here x is 3 by 1, you get 3 only. So 3 minus 2 the whole square, 1 square. So 1 into 4 we get 4 only. So in second cube we totally have 4 such cubes that is painted in a single face. Now 8 plus 4 we totally get 12. So we have 12 small cubes having only one face colored in the same color in both the cubes. Hope you understood the problem, right? Now moving to second question of the same content. Now how many small cubes will have two faces colored in two different colors? See, how many small cubes will have two faces colored in two different colors? So you have to consider only the edges. So you can't consider this height part. So if you take this height part, for example, if you take this part, here both the sides are painted in white only. So you can't consider these edges. So you have to consider only top 4 edges and bottom 4 edges, right? So what is the formula to find cubes painted in two colors? It is x minus 2 into number of edges, right? So here the value of x we already found, that is 4, right? So x minus 2 into number of edges. So here the total number of edges is nothing but 8, right? So you have to consider top and bottom. See, if you take top, for example, if you take this cube 1, 2. So here the top part is painted in red and bottom, I mean the side part is painted in white. So top part is painted in red and side part is painted in white, right? So in this way you have to find the small cubes painted in different colors. So it is available in only 8 edges, right? So x value is 4, 4 minus 2 you get 2. So 2 into 8 we get 16. So we totally have 16 such small cubes that is painted in 2 different colors in first cube. Now again coming to second cube, you have to consider same top and bottom. So again it is x minus 2 into 8. So here the value of x is 3 by 1 because sides is 3 and side of the smaller cube is 1. So we have to consider it as 1. So 3 by 1 you get 3. So 3 minus 2 you get 1. 1 into 8 we get 8 only. So 16 plus 8 we totally get 24 such cubes. So there are 24 such small cubes will have 2 faces colored in 2 different colors. Hope you understood the problem, right? Now moving to third question of this similar model. How many small cubes will have 3 faces colored in 3 different colors? It will never occur because we totally have 2 colors in a single cube. So in first cube it is 0, in second cube also it is 0. So 0 plus 0 we totally have 0 such cubes that is painted in 3 different colors. Hope you understood the problem. Moving to fourth question, last question of the session. How many small cubes will have 2 faces colored in same color? So x minus 2 into number of edges. So number of edges here is 4. So what we exactly need is how many small cubes will have 2 faces colored in same color. That means you have to consider only this. Right, so we totally have 4 such edges, right? So here also it is x minus 2 into 4. Now you know the value of x is nothing but 4. So 4 minus 2 it is 2. So 2 into 4 you get 8. So here also it is 3. 3 minus 2 you get 1. 1 into 4 you get 4. So 8 plus 4 we totally get 12. So there are 12 such small cubes will have 2 faces colored in same color. Hope you understood all the problems of this session, right? So in upcoming session I try to solve some more problems related to cubes as well as cuboids. Until that, stay connected with CareerD Training Solutions. If you have some other different shortcuts, please try to put it in comment section below and help us. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.